Automatic, Addison.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the character output stream and inline in C++ for outputting information in robotics projects. These elements are part of the iostream library and are essential for displaying messages and data in the console. So I've got Visual Studio Code open right now, and let's create a new file called robotoutput.cpp. robot_output.cpp. And let's type the following into the code editor. #include iostream do using namespace stood so int main string robot status equals active. To int x position equals 10, int y position equals 20, cout robot status and then endl. Now character out. Let's do robot position. And we'll do X position, comma, Y position, and then end, let's move that so you can see it, and then end L. Okay, now let's do another message here. Let's get some space. Let's do character out, and let's do initializing, spell that correctly, robot. Do endl. We'll do simulating robot initialization. Cout. And let's do robot initialized successfully. Endl. To return 0. Save. How does that look? So in this code, we include the iostream. This is for input and output operations. We use the using namespace standard statement to bring the standard namespace into the current scope. Inside the main function, we declare variables for robot status, X position, and Y position of the robot, representing the status and the position of the robot. We use cout to output the robot status and position to the console, which you can see here. We use this arrow operator, which is used to concatenate or combine strings and variables on the same line. And the endl manipulator is used to insert a new line character and flush the output buffer. Next, we simulate the robot initialization process by outputting messages using cout and endl. Let's run the code. See if you can see the output down here. Let's bring it further up. Come on. Let's add another parentheses here because that's kind of lopsided. Let's save again. You can see it's missing a parentheses there. So Let's run it again. There we go. So you can see the robot status, position, and initialization messages printed in the terminal. That's it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.